Ka Kongres kan Sdang Jingiakhih padba Naduh Tarik hadu arpusan Tarik urempang persya ya kerai ke sorkar BJP NDA ban pindo ya ke skim Mgnrega bat bujli da ke VBG Ram G Act arajar arpusan u Presiden ke MPCC uba Vincent H. Pala ulaong baka skim thamai kamdon ya ke jingyok kam kumba don ha ke Mgnrega namar kade ke supply driving ke demand driving ulakin no ru ba ke skim kan pindo ya ke hoki ba khamtam ha ki thai nong kendong namar ke jingduna jingyo internet ka kongres kan pinlong ya ke jingekhi ha ke zonal district bat jila bat ya ki jingte ba khambanya ansapin bna ha ke shpho
I
tari
think regarding the planning and strategy how to counter the BJP, especially in the abolition of Mgnrega and introduce they have already passed a bill, now it become an act of the new bill which they have withdrawn. So we have a series of agitations which we are planning. So on that front we are working. I've already briefed the press actually, but we will be giving a press conference on the same issue on 10th. I think at 2 o'clock they will be giving a press conference by Meghalaya and friends. So they have done away with Mgnrega and they are going to implement the BBG scheme. So I think it's totally, they are obsessed with Mahatma Gandhi name, I think, that you all know. And they want to communalize this, number one. Number two is that they want to misleading the people from a bill which is a demand driven into a supply driven. They have taken away the rights of the poor people, and now if they want to demand for a job, they will not be able to give you. So it totally depends on the whims and fancy of the central government. So this is the issue which we discuss at length, and we have a series of program of agitation right from the 10th press briefing up to 25th of February. So the details I think our people will give you on the 10th for the press briefing. It will be done all over India at the same time. The question of guarantee doesn't arise in the new bill actually. For example, before in the Mgnrega, if you want a job, you demand a job from a concerned and competent authority, and they have to give you within 15 days. If they didn't give them, they're bound to pay. But in this one, if you want a job, and then they'll send it to Central, and Central will sanction the amount, and they'll notify, it's up to them whether they'll give or not. So the question of demand doesn't arise, it becomes a supply instead of a demand. So this is totally a misinformed to the public. And the 125 days, you see, after the BJP comes to power, they have done lots of dilution of the implementation of the schemes. They have used the Aadhaar base, they have geotag, and they have done a lot of technology which is not reliable as on today. Example, in Shillong, you get internet properly, but in the rural areas, you not get internet. So by not giving internet, sometimes this, they have done away with the rights of the people. So that's why after BJP comes to power, hardly around 50% of 50 days in a year, people can get a job average. So, and maximum 60% of the people who demand for jobs are women. So they deprive the rights of the women also at the same times. So many other things in the act which they have passed, I think they are misleading the people. It's our duty and the opportunity to expose them. So we'll be expose them one by one. They'll do a little bit of fasting in district level, and we'll also do agitations in the district level as well as in the state level and the zonal level also. That's why I said on 10th they'll brief you entire thing.